up? J Park coming up with his R&B-ish? All I know is that he took off all his tattoos, just like spray painting it a lot. He's just gonna be half naked, isn't he? Like he always is. Not always is, but you know, he be known for that ish, bruh. Hold up. Oh. Ooh, we get R&B J Park finally. I mean, not finally, but it's been a minute. Oh, okay, we starting off. God, I like that. Trying to be like D'Angelo or like that J Park. Calvin Klein. Damn, it's kind of weird. Okay, nipples. It's kind of weird to see him with no tattoos. With me, baby girl. Somebody said J Park or Jaheim. Yo. They did a good job with the makeup, or what is this? Why they just on his abs, bro? Hey, yo, chill. Gotta be jealous. Like, I don't got abs like that, bro. How do you get that? You just work out 24/7, don't you? I need to do something for a second. Hold up. 1, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi, 11 Mississippi, 12 Mississippi, 13 Mississippi. 13 or 14 seconds of a shot of his out. 13 to 14 seconds. Lied. Hey man, if you got it, flex it, bro. I wonder if he ever thought like he would like take back all his tattoos and just be like this. Ripped as hell, my boy. You ripped as hell. When the camera person forgot they were working. Woo. Come through. I love the strings too. Hey man, this man be working. Hey, that body. Okay, body, Adi. Let's go, Jay. Woo! Let's go. He got them pecs right too, but hey. Forget the body. Listen to the lyrics. His voice. I'm talking to myself. Come through. My God. Don't he have a track coming up with like BM too? Are they both gonna be shirtless too? Woo! Let's go, Jay. Hey, sometimes a music video with singing, sometimes it just could be just a black room with just some jeans and Calvin Klein's on. Okay, the back too. Okay. You're mine. Let's go. Okay, J Park in the building, bruh. Where's tattoos though? I think they smoothed it all out. He lasered it all off, guys. Did you guys know? Imagine he did that. It's airbrush. Hey, you better subscribe. While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.